QR codes have proven to be an effective marketing tool. They've helped many brands grow and boost sales. So with QR Tiger, you can achieve this and more. Stay tuned and we'll show you how.
It's something you've been seeing a lot around these days. From the grocery store to your TV, those little black and white squares have been popping up everywhere. They're called quick response codes, or simply QR codes. Why are they so prevalent and what are they actually used for? Well, think of it this way. A QR code is a gateway from the offline to the online dimension. Scanning it leads you to the digital space within seconds. It's quick, easy, and doesn't require a lot of steps. Businesses have been using QR codes for paperless transactions. From filling out forms to sharing documents, QR codes offer a paperless way to conduct business. It's eco-friendly and saves you some resources. Contactless interactions. You can order and pay through a menu QR code or access information without having to interact with anyone. This also helps businesses reduce the need for more manpower. Cost efficiency. It helps businesses deliver services at a much lower cost without compromising convenience and quality. Generating QR codes for marketing only requires little cost yet benefits you in several ways, like increased sales and more brand awareness. Versatility. QR codes can be used not just for promotions, but also for inventory, payment, authentication, entertainment, and more. Its versatile nature keeps up with whatever creative way you can come up with. People have used it for Easter egg hunts, secret portals, simulations, and more. The only limit is your imagination. Whether in printed or digital form, QR codes work best when they are dynamic. As opposed to static QR codes, which are dense and can't be edited, dynamic QR codes are the best choice for marketing. Using dynamic QR codes gives scanners a seamless experience when interacting with your brand. Want to know the best place to create your dynamic QR codes? Head on over to qrcode-tiger.com. And you'll find that your QR codes can also come with different perks like data analysis report of your QR code's activity, like number of scans, when the user scanned it, their location, and their device type. Ability to edit embedded links without reprinting or generating a new QR code. Customizable QR codes that match your brand's identity, and more.
That's it. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell for the latest updates. You can also go to QR Tiger's website to start creating your own custom QR codes. And for further education on QR codes, click the link to our blog in the description box below. This has been David. I'll see you in the next video.